Sobrang malaking tulong ang naibigay ng LG kasi sila yung katuparan ng pangarap ng mga aming beneficiaries.
We have worked with LG for more than 15 years. They were already there. The moment that you pitch in the idea, andyan ka agad sila.
And LG generously donated 30 laundry machines.
Today marks another example of LG's commitment to our brand promise. Life is good, and we are expected to partner with ELS and BigZe Corporation and the House with No Steps Foundation in opening the first ever PWD friendly laundry shop in the Philippines, the Push Laundry.
This laundry shop is designed for us. This is one way to empower our beneficiaries to become independent.
Mahalaga yung mga ganitong programa kasi hinibigyan kami ang pangkabuhayan. Kaya marami po kayo matutulungan pagka dito kayo nagpa-laundry sa aming proyekto Push Laundry Project ng House with No Steps Foundation. Huwag tayong magtago sa mga bahay-bahay natin. Lumabas tayo, pakita natin kung ano yung kaya natin gawin. Kasi dun lang magkakaroon tayo ng pagkakataon ng opportunity para sa ating sarili, makatulong din hindi lang sa ating pamilya, kundi sa buong komunidad.
Naging malaking tulong ang LG Commercial Laundries sa pag-grow ng BigZe. Nakita din talaga namin yung durability, reliability pagdating talaga sa machines.
This is not just more than washers and dryers that you see here. It's they're living the life na sinasabi, life is good.
LG Philippines, thank you so much!
Again, thank you very much sa LG.
Maraming salamat sa LG. Thank you, thank you. Number one.
Life is really good. And with LG around, we'll make it even better.